You are about to learn how to make your first dollar on the internet. You might be asking yourself, what's the big deal? It's just $1. But that's not entirely true. Making $1 on the internet changes your entire mindset around building income. Once you realize you can make $1, you know you can make 10. If you can make $10, you can make $1,000, and so on. The challenge is that most people will never make their first dollar online because they are too focused on how to make $1 million. Start with $1, then worry about your first $1 million. Here's how to simplify, focus, and create a tactical plan to succeed. Step 1. Talk to people to understand their common problems. Too many people are quick to launch a brand, course, or service around a problem they haven't validated as being extremely painful. Remember, everyone has problems, but people pay to solve the most painful ones. These problems generally fall into 3 different categories: health, wealth, and relationships. Look at the skills you have picked up throughout your life and professional career. What can you help people achieve? Who is 2 to 3 years behind you on their journey? Find those people and then talk to them. Once you've talked to 30 to 40 people, you'll probably start to hear the same common problems over and over. Put together a simple but unique solution that you believe can help people overcome these problems. That solution can be as easy as a short coaching program, a 7-day email course, or an ebook. Next, you'll need to make people aware that you exist and can be helpful. Step 2. Grow a small audience around solving that problem. Once you understand people's most painful problems and have a solution to solve them, you need to generate awareness for yourself as a potential problem solver. So start creating content online every single day that shows off your expertise. The easiest place to get traction on your content right now is the social media platform you spend the most free time on. Step 3. Build a small email list of interested people. Once you create content around solving a specific problem, you'll attract a small audience, but an audience is a finicky thing because you're always at the mercy of each social media platform's algorithm. That's why I recommend building a small email list of interested people. A really simple way to do this is to offer something valuable in exchange for their email address. That can be a lead magnet like a checklist or worksheet, an ongoing newsletter, or you could build free guides and turn them into PDFs. You want to make sure that whatever you offer is directly related to the problem you're solving. Step 4. Use the easiest, cheapest, and most familiar tech stack. Once you have a great lead magnet, you need to offer it somewhere. This is the part that trips up 90% of people I see trying to make income on the internet. Don't overcomplicate this. Use a simple website builder and create a simple landing page. When people enter their email addresses, deliver the lead magnet. Once you have a few hundred emails, send an email out to people offering your unique solution that we discussed earlier. You can choose to leverage an expiring discount to create urgency should you want to. If people want to pay, make it easy. Have a buy button in your email that sends them to a Stripe payment link or Gumroad payments page. If you offer a service, redirect them after payment to a Calendly link to book time with you. If you sell a product, deliver the product via email or host it on a platform like Gumroad. All of these tutorials, may it be Gumroad, Calendly, or many more, can also be found on my channel. But remember, this is just one of the many ways to earn your first dollar on the internet. So feel free to pick out things you learned and apply them to your unique situation. If you already have a nice following on social media, you can eliminate step 2 and simply start talking to your audience to understand their common problems. Sometimes you don't need a lead magnet and instead can simply promote your product or services directly on a social media platform of your choice. It's up to you to get creative. If you want to learn more than just earning your first dollar on the internet, then check out my newsletter, which you will find at the top of the description down below.